Hello all, this is Prasad, behalf of Team 3, and we have created a project called UHCL Job Portal where the applicants can apply for the job, and it's a basically job applying site. And we have created this application for adverts application using Java, and so this site looks. We have created this site using a JSF framework, and we have used Bootstrap for this designing things. And about our teamers, so Priti Shah, Prasad Kumar, Rameez, and Vishnu. So let me give a quick demo about our project. So for that, we will create some users. So I will start with user 12, name as user 12, password as 12345, and you should give a type. Again, it's user or HR. So I'm going to give as user. I'm going to click. So wait, let me check the validation over here. So we have given the validation like the user ID should be contain at least one letter and one digit. If not, it will one letter and one digit. And moreover, we have created a validations, client side validation, right? See, these fields cannot be empty. So this time user 12, user 12, password is going to be 12345. Now user. Now it should work now. Yeah, it says registration successful. Please try to log in your account. So let me create another user. Let me give it as a user 13. So for my understanding, the password is 12345. Click submit. It should work now. Yeah. So let me create another user. User 14. The name of user 14. Password as 12345. And the type as user. Then hit the submit. So we have created a 3 user accounts. Then I'm going to create another account called HR. So it's going to be HR12. So it's going to be HR12. So 12345. This time I'm going to give us HR. So it says registration successful. Okay. Let me try to log in with the user IDs now. User 12 12345. See. Uh, this is the home page for the user. So you can see the job ID, job title, number of openings, and you can apply for any job. And there's a link over here called click here to check the status of this application. For this user, this is a uh, this user is a new user, so he might not be applied for any job. So we will check it over here. So it doesn't pop out any. If he checks that, it says please select a job. So you can see what are the job opening over here. By hitting the view apply, you can see the brief description like Java developer needs some experience in frameworks. If it applies, it will take to the apply page where you can enter his personal details like name, age, gender, email ID, contact number, etc. So let me take back you to the HR account. HR12. So see, these are the jobs which have been posted by the previous HRs, and you can see a link called click here to post a new job. If we click here, you can give a job title, job description, number of openings. What we'll do is we'll create a new job and we'll make the new users to apply, and what the HR does the next. See, it's going to be Java developers, business analyst. job description as good communication skill. So we'll keep opening of 4. So we'll keep opening as 2. Then click submit. So it says new job created successfully. So you can see it over here. The job ID is 26, which is auto generated, and this job title is business analyst. Number of openings 2. So if you click the view select, there will be no applicant co-applet because this job has been created now only now. So we will check this. See, say there are no applicants for the job. So if you click the finalize applicant button, it says you are not selecting any applicants. So what we will do is we will make the new users to apply for the job. So let me log on to user 12, the password 12345. So you should see the new job. See, business analyst. So he's going to apply for that. Apply. So test. So we'll keep it as Raj. Age. See, the age is only we can give an input as integer, and that to value between 1 to 100, not beyond that. Not 12. 25. Gender male. rr@rr.com. Anything like that. Contact number. Education. MS. Work experience. None. Submit. It says congratulations, you have successfully applied for the job. Okay. If you go and check the status, it should show the last applied job. See, business analyst. If I check, it says it's been being reviewed. So this time he can withdraw the application. So let me sign off from this page. User 13 with the password of 12345. Submit. So business analysis. Apply. Kumar. Age is 27. Male. KK at gmail.com or contact number, education, BS. You can give the basic stuff over here. Work experience. Submit. It says congratulations, and we can check the status over here. It says business knowledge. It should be being reviewed. Yeah, it's being reviewed. So let me sign out from this account and this huge user 14, password as 12345, business analyst. Apply. Name as Pondi 29. We are filling out the basic details of this user. So the experience. So when you click the submit, it should say your job admin. Yeah. And you can check the status anytime. It should say your application being reviewed. Yeah, it says like that. So now we will log on to the HR account to see whether it is reflected into HR account. So I'm logging with HR 12. So you can see business analyst, number of openings 2. You can see number of applicants have been 3. So So it all sets being reviewed. Raj Kumar Pondi. So if you the HR wants to view the application, you can click the link view application. You can view the details like these are the things. And yeah, given this, these are the applicant details. Applicant is 42. Applicant name is Raj. Age, gender, email ID, contact number. If he wish, he can select the any option like selected, not selected, withdrawn. So for this case, I'm giving as not selected and submitting it. So the status changed to not select. So let me do it for another applicant. See, it has been changed over here. Now for Kumar, I'm doing this as selected and clicking the submit. Status is changed to selected. Now for Pondi, I'm going to do the same thing. Selected. The best part of this application is only after finalizing the applicants, the user can see the status. So here the status is not selected, selected, selected. So we will log on to the user account to check the status. User 12. See, it still says being reviewed. So after finalizing the all applicants, the HR, the user can see the results. So now we will do the finalizing thing now. So to do that, we should log into HR account. So now the HR have been previously selected. One candidate is not selected, and other three candidates are selected, I guess. So let's see. See the same thing. The what the previous status the HR have been selected will be reflected here. So to change that, he can go there and as the number of openings is 2, so he can't select more than that. So we will select more than that. So status is changed. So there are 3 applicants applied for 2 openings. So we will hit the finalize applicant. It says you can select the applicants more than the number of available positions in the job. So this is one condition, and the other condition is you can't finalize the applicant when the application is being reviewed. See for here, I'm changing this as being reviewed. So submit. So status has changed to being reviewed. So if I hit the finalize applicant button, it should say since there are some applications which are being reviewed, you cannot finalize application. So for that, I should change this to, so I'm going to reject Raj application now. Submit. So for 2 openings, there are 2 selected and not selected. So when I hit the finalize applicant button, it should say, yeah, finalize 2 applicants for the job. So when I try to do again the same thing, it should throw an error because I have already finalized applicants, right? So see, you have already finalized all applicants. So let me check this into the user accounts now. So user 12, which is Raj. Let's check this. So business analyst not selected. Status have been changed after the HR finalizing the applicants. Now he can't withdraw the application. He can withdraw the application only when the status is in being reviewed. So let me check back to the other users. Sign out here. User 13 1 2 3 4 5. So this applicant have been selected. So let us check that. It says selected. So even the selected applicants cannot withdraw the application. Yeah, let's see. The applicant can only withdraw the application when the status have been in being reviewed. So this is a project. So this is a simple site where the user can create an user account and they can apply for the job which have been HR posted, and HR can select the applicants. check on the screen the interview. It's a basic application have been developed using JSF framework, and we have used Bootstrap thing for the designing. And we are the students who are pursuing our masters in management information system in University of Western Clear Lake, and we have listed our email IDs over here. If you need anything, you can contact us. So thanks for watching video. Thank you.